This is a tectonic plate motion simulator. So we've already looked at the convergent plate boundaries. So let's look at the divergent plate boundaries. So we're going to click on the arrows pointing away from each other. We're going to hit the C plates over time. All right, so this is a divergent boundary. They're diverging away from each other, like the math dividing. We're separating them. All right, be familiar with the legend again. All right, so we're going to pick 20 million years, and we're going to see what geologic features and events are formed at divergent boundaries. All right, so as we see the plate boundaries moving away from each other, we see earthquakes, so I'm going to come back to that. We see the mantle convection. The mantle before with the convergent was moving towards each other. This time it's moving away. All right, we had a riverbed form, and within that riverbed we see volcanoes. So think about it, when the continental plates are moving away from each other, the mantle can move upward. So we see the mantle, that little line right in the center moving upward, and that helps form those volcanoes. All right. So I said we would go back to the earthquakes and discuss that. So when the continental crust is first separating, all right, that's when the earthquakes are forming. And those earthquakes are not extremely strong earthquakes. They actually use the word shallow earthquakes, meaning they're pretty weak. You may not even feel them when they're occurring if you're standing on Earth's crust, which we do. All right. These earthquakes, think about it, when I'm separating something, is there a lot of friction? Because that's what earthquakes are caused by, is friction. Well, no. But there may be a slight pressure right when they're first released, and that's when the shallow earthquakes are formed. All right, when the plates have completely separated, the earthquakes are not occurring. Now, make sure you have listed all the geologic features and events that occurs at a divergent boundary over 20 million years. If you want to check your work, please be sure to rewind and rewatch the video. Thank you.